Hi friends, today my topic is cohesion and coupling. So cohesion and coupling is one of the topic in the software architectural styles. So let us deal what is cohesion and coupling. So when you see cohesion and coupling, these are necessary in making the software reliable and extendable. So both are most important to make much reliable in the software. So these are necessary in making software reliable and extendable. So let us deal one by one. What is now cohesion? So cohesion means it is the measure of functional strength of the module. So what does the functional strength mean? So in general, I will tell you, see, it measures the relationship, the strength between the pieces of functionality. For example, if I draw here the pictorial representation, let us think this is the modules and these are nothing but the functions. So when you see the definition of the cohesion, it is the measure of functional strength in a module. Means it shows the strength of the functions between the modules. By this pictorial representation, you can understand. So the measure, what does the measure leads? The measure leads to be two types. One is high cohesion and low cohesion. High cohesion and low cohesion. So what is high cohesion? So high cohesion means in a good module, various parts have cohesion is preferable. So what does cohesion is preferable? So cohesion is preferable means it is preferable in the cases of reliability and reusability, robustness and understandability. So cohesion, why it is ability? Why it is preferable in high cohesion? Because of reliability, reusability, robustness and understandability. So for that purpose, high cohesion is preferable. So let us see what is low cohesion. So low cohesion means it is associated with understandable, including difficult in maintaining reusability and understandability. So between these two, high cohesion and low cohesion, we prefer the high cohesion only. Why? Because you have the following one. One is increase in the reusability. Also, we have some of the features called system maintenance. There will be increase in the system maintenance, and we have the modular complexity lower, that is the modular complexity decreases. So for that purpose, high cohesion is more preferable than the low cohesion. Okay, next let us see now the classification or the types of cohesions. So classification and the types of cohesion. So what are the types of cohesion? The first one is functional cohesion, sequential cohesion, communicational cohesion, procedural cohesion, logical cohesion. So how many types we have? Functional, sequential, communicational, procedural and logical. So let us see one by one. What is the first one is? First one is functional cohesion. So functional cohesion means it is a grouped of number of modules. So what does it indicate? The number of modules means the parts of the modules are grouped. Why? Because they contribute all the modules as a single well-defined task. So what is a functional modules? It is a group of, so let us think, this is a module and these are nothing but the functions. So I think you can understand by using the pictorial representation. So I'll explain each and every topic in the form of diagrammatic. Right? So functional cohesion means it is a group of number of modules. The second one is sequential cohesion. So what is sequential cohesion? When the parts of the modules grouped due to their output from one part is the input to the other. So what does it indicates? See, I am just drawing this diagram. So this is input and this is output. Again, the second box is input and the third box is output. So what does it indicate? The one part is the input to the other, right? So for suppose I am taking here the topic called sorting. So you know what is sorting? Sorting means arranging the elements either in ascending or descending order. So I used a topic called sorting. Sorting, what you will do in sorting? You will search the number of numbers. Next, finally, what you will do? Display. So in clear, I will tell you, suppose I have 6, 49, 72 and I will take here 90. So I have taken 4 numbers. So what happens in that 4 numbers? I need to sort all these 4 numbers. So what I will do? I will search the least number. What is the least number here? 6. I will display 6. I will find out the next least number, 49. I will search and displaying. Next least number, 72. The next least number, 90. So sorting, searching and displaying. So understood what is the sequential cohesion? The next one is communicational cohesion. The parts of the modules are grouped because they are operate on the same data. So what does it indicate? It is nothing but simply what we can say. Suppose we have we have a set of functions which is defined as an array. So what is an array? Array means we have set of number starts with 0, 1, 2, 3. So what does it calls? On the same data the parts of modules are grouped like an array. You can simply, it is mentioned as array or stack. Okay. The next one, procedural cohesion. So what does procedural cohesion indicates? Procedural cohesion means the parts of the modules are grouped because a certain sequence of execution is followed by them. So procedural cohesion, I will tell you simply what is procedural cohesion means. It is nothing but the algorithms. Algorithms. For what purpose? For decoding a message. Okay. So this is called procedural cohesion. The last one is logical cohesion. So what is logical cohesion? So this is the lowest cohesion. So when you come to the diagram, please have a look at the diagram. So functional cohesion indicates high. It has high. And the last one, logical cohesion, indicates low. Okay. When come to the last one, logical cohesion is in a low priority. So all the elements of the module perform similar. For example, error handling. Error handling means we can take the data input and data output. So error handling, it is a verse, it is a low. Okay. All the elements of the modules perform similar operations. Right? So this is about cohesion. Okay. Now let us deal in the next topic. We'll deal about the coupling. Thank you. Have a nice day.